gust front coming in. Oh yeah, I hear it. Yeah, see, I want to get this on this 85 mile an hour gusts. Shh. It's 10:48 p.m. Just wind. Man, there's the cold air. There's a storm coming in. I wanted to show you guys radar. Let's see where we are. We'll have a notification come up. You guys can see that there. We're under a particularly dangerous situation, severe thunderstorm warning. Hopefully you can see that map. Cold air is coming in right now. I'm praying to God we don't lose power. Luckily they have an iPad, so I can film from that. I don't know if my mom will get any footage from home. I guess we'll find out. There's cold air coming in. God, don't let us lose power. This is breaking a nasty heat wave. Oh Lord, I heard a power buzz. I just heard it buzz. Power done browned out once. Goodness gracious. Make sure all the electronics, the iPad, make sure everything is unplugged. Because it's not good to have it plugged in with it surging. Well, nothing. I mean, the iPad's unplugged, I think. I've got my phone, I've got my iPad in my hands. That transformer that blew. That was a transformer. There it comes. Huh? Is that what that was? That's how strong them winds are on the tops of them trees. I guarantee you we're getting closer from that cottonwood tree and
I
everything.
wonder if they should go at least if we get down right here from the cliff before it falls out.
This is the gust front. I mean, it's coming through right now, so hopefully we don't lose it. Stop this. I'm gonna try to pull a little bit, just give her some light. There we go. That's a little more here. Hear that? go inside and film this from inside here. Alright, y'all. I'm going in, set this up inside.